Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you what the different operating LEDs mean on our Lithium XS battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. When the Lithium XS is powered up, the green power LED lights up along with the first LED along the top, which shows that it's making sure your battery can actually take the charge. This stage prevents the Lithium XS from trying to charge a defective battery. The second LED shows that a regular charging program has started, which uses the maximum current to charge your battery up to about 90% capacity. When the third LED lights up, the Lithium XS is using a lower current to get your battery safely up to 95% capacity. If your battery's been completely flat, your vehicle can now be started at this stage. The fourth LED shows that the charger is testing your battery to make sure it can hold the charge. When the fifth LED comes on, the Lithium XS is completing the charge process. When the sixth LED lights up, the battery is at 100% capacity. One of the great things about the Lithium XS is that you can safely keep it connected to your battery for long periods of time, so your battery's always topped up. If you want to do that, keep everything connected and the green LED at step 7 will light up. This means the Lithium XS is keeping the battery charged at maximum capacity. When the 8th LED lights up, the charger is monitoring your battery and give it a pulse every now and then to keep it fully charged. Now, like all CTEK battery chargers, the Lithium XS is extremely safe and reliable. It's short circuit proof, splash and dust proof, and if you accidentally touch the clamps together, they won't spark. But if the red error LED on the top left of the charger lights up, there's a few things you'll need to double check. Are the clamps the right way round? Is the red on the positive terminal and the black on the negative terminal, or to ground or earth? Is the battery that you're charging a 12-volt battery? Has the charging process been interrupted? If it has, press the reset button to restart the charging process. If it's interrupted again, check which part of the charging process it's stopping at. If the charging process has stopped at the first LED stage, it means your battery cannot accept a charge. Or it could mean that the charger can't wake the battery up. Some lithium-ion batteries have onboard undervoltage protection, or UVP, that puts the battery into sleep mode to stop it from becoming too deeply discharged. If this happens, the Lithium XS won't be able to detect the battery because it can't open the UVP. In this case, just hold down the reset button for 10 seconds. And the charger should be able to open up the UVP, wake the battery up and automatically start the charging process again. The third reason for stopping at the first LED could also be that there's a parallel load connected to the battery. If there is, just disconnect the battery and try again. If charging stops at the fourth LED stage, it means the battery can't keep its charge and may need to be replaced. If you're still unsure, try the charger on a battery that you know is working to check the functionality of the charger. Well, that's just about everything you need to know about your Lithium XS battery charger and maintainer. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.